something for me to clean up.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no. No, look at this one!
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
April Fools, you little sausage! SpongeBob, I was just kidding. Come on, you guys know I was just kidding, right?
What the fuck?
Oh man, poor kid.
That guy has definitely got some issues to work out.
April Fools.
You get to flip that cart back over, you're throwing that chair away, and then you're cleaning up this whole mess! You're fired!
Actually, no, I'm not fine at all. I'm so tired, Luca, of all these responsibilities, of having to put up a front all the time, of never being able to be who I truly am.
It's alright, Marinette. You can tell me everything. Or nothing if you prefer. You can be yourself with me, you know? Just yourself.